If you upload your photo to Google Gemini, copy paste this prompt, you'll get the results like these. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 powerful prompts to restore old, detailless, vintage photos. If you want the exact prompts, watch till the end. First thing first, go to Google Gemini. You can use it on mobile or desktop. This is the free version. Click on Create Image. The model here is Nano Banana. Now I'll upload this image. As you can see, the image quality is very poor. There are almost no details. I'll copy my prompt. Come back to Gemini, paste it here and click send. After a few seconds, you get the results like this. Since this is the free version, the result is decent but not the best. If you already have Photoshop Premium subscription, you don't need to buy Nano Banana Pro separately. Let me show you. I'll open Photoshop and upload the same image. Make sure the contextual text bar is turned on. Press Ctrl and A to select the whole image. Click Generative Fill. Here paste the exact same prompt. Select Gemini 3 with Nano Banana Pro, then click Generate. Now you can see the difference. The details are much clearer and the texture is restored. So the free version is good for basic results, but for the best quality use Nano Banana Pro in Gemini or Photoshop. Now let me show you the magic of same prompt on another image. Next, I have this image. This one needs to be treated differently. First, I'll increase the image size. I'm increasing both width and height. Next, I'll go to my prompt collection. I'll copy the first prompt. Now I'll come back to Photoshop. Press Ctrl and A to select the whole image. Click Generative Fill and paste the prompt. Make sure the model is Nano Banana Pro, then click Generate. As you can see, the photo is restored properly. Just using this one prompt, you get the results like this. Now let's try the same prompt on another image. Same process, and there you go. Finally, let me show you the last prompt from this video. I have this classic image. I want to restore the details and give it a cinematic vintage 4K look. I'll copy the last prompt from my Google document. This one is specially made for restoring images like this. Now I will apply this prompt in Generative Fill Nano Banana Pro. And this is the result. You can see the difference clearly. The details are restored and the image looks clean and cinematic. Let's apply the same prompt to another image. And as you can see, it works really well again. All of these prompts are completely free. Check the link in the description. And please leave a comment so YouTube can push this video to more people. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.